What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a simple tune-up on a 2014 Honda Accord. There we go. Just simple plugs. Should be pretty quick and easy. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you gotta do is take these bolts out. 10mm. There we go. Expose the spark plugs right here. So you don't lose them like I just said. So, there we go. Be real gentle. You gotta be gentle, you don't want to break them. And then probably pop them back. What I'm doing is I'm pulling down, pushing down on this to lift this bad boy up, and then I'm just kind of gently prying it out. Sometimes they stick. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright, since I don't have a magnetic socket for these spark plugs, because these take a 9/16 or a 14, I'm just going to take a piece of hose, stick it on there, and drop it in. Be careful. Spin into place. 1, 3, 4. Alright guys, this is important. You always got to put just a little bit, not a whole lot, dielectric grease on the inside. I already did that one. Just coat the inside. It helps to insulate it and keeps the spark. It helps to keep the spark going through the spark plug. It's where it belongs here. So see, I'm just doing a little bit on the side. What you don't want to do is, I see them do it a lot, is when I do tune-ups, I know someone's been in there before, I pull a spark plug for a reason. You'll see people do the dielectric grease, but they just get it and they put a big old blop on top and then they stick it in the boot. That's no good, because dielectric grease is an insulator. So what you don't want to do is insulate or have anything coming between your connection between the coil and your spark plug. So it's best to do it along the side right here, because it helps keep moisture out of the connection. But since I really don't do it like that, I always just put it in there. I believe it does the same thing. So, but I never put it right on top like that. See, that's no good. Along the side. All right, time to slap in the coils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it down. You don't want to go too much. Wire harness back on. I kind of guide it in before it push it in all the way. Push, wait for the click, 3, 4. before. Pops down. Cover. Bolts. Alright guys, well that concludes the tune-up. It's very, very simple, very, very quick. You can do it yourself, come on. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.